like 45 degrees.
I mean, my bad.
That's okay.
It's still on.
I would do that.
Maybe the switch went off.
That's perfect. My bad.
No, you're fine.
Be more careful.
It happens.
That would happen to me.
So again, what are we gonna do then, since this doesn't have their sets?
140.
140. So we have this position, and then we have this position right here. The most pigment is gonna be pushed into the skin when you're pushing. If you were to pull back, it's not really depositing pigment, okay?
Is that on the slope?
Kind of think, with any needle, if you're going at an angle, you wanna push, like you're pushing a wheelbarrow,
Okay.
okay? Now, there's another way to use this machine, and I call it like a soft shading technique, where you would have all 5 needles going to the skin, but you're brushing it, kind of like if you're sweeping the floor. Okay. Not raking leaves, because that would deposit like no pigment.
Okay. We don't want to rake leaves.
But you can go like one direction this way, and then you could go the other direction, so you're cross-hatching that line or that area, and it's just kind of putting like a nice deposit of soft ink. It kind of looks like speckled or velvety, right? And there's not a lot of trauma to the skin with a needle like this. So that's generally how I'll do it. So you have a pencil. Thank you. So what we generally see, or what I see for scars, is it might be an area like this where it's white on the inside, and then this is their normal color of their skin. So what I like to do is like, what is the biggest fire that we need to put out is the white. So I would just push the white into, or the color into that white area. And then I would blur past where the edge is to diffuse like the border, so that it's not like literally colored in just here. Does that make sense?
It's not a harsh line.
Yeah.
You'll have to do it on the board.
So it's like a quick one direction, opposite direction, cross hatch. See how it looks nice and soft? And then when you need more color, you're gonna press it. If you get to a small area, like right at the tip here, you can do where you just have one needle. You could even go straight in with one needle. This is called ballerina tip. So it's like ballerina or this ice skate, depending on how small, I guess, you want to get.
So this needle will be excellent for eyebrows also?
Yeah,
Okay.
I use it for hair strokes.
Okay.
Where it looks like digital microblading, basically. So I have the slope needle for you guys to try. First, I was Leah still in here? No. Okay, so we'll try.